everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to disconnect Instagram from Latter. Now to do that, first thing is open the Latter application on your phone device. Tap upon that, and once you're at this page, you need to go to the accounts. Tap on the account on the bottom right. There you need to go and tap on social set. Tap on that. Now in the social set, you will have your Instagram profile on top. Tap that. Now just for you to remove your Instagram, you need to tap on remove profile over here on the bottom. Tap on remove profile. Remove Instagram profile. Once you remove your Instagram account, the link bio page will be deactivated. So once you tap on remove, all the Instagram connection that Latter have on your account will be deactivated and Latter will no longer have any access to your Instagram from here. Tap on remove. And just with that, your Instagram account has been disconnected from your Latter application. So this is the way how you can easily disconnect Instagram from Latter. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.